Hello, you trader nerds. It is Tuesday, baby. It is IRA day, and I am excited about it. Let's look at the market up 0.07%. It is a flat, nothing kind of day, just like yesterday. Just nothing, y'all. VIX is at 12, handle as well. AD is at a measly 34. Average volume about 4,500 contracts every 2 minutes. And y'all, this is just same thing over and over and over. And we are in a range day today. Range day. We're about to come hit VWAP again. Then we'll probably bounce off VWAP, and then we'll go back up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's just a range day. No, this is not a trend day. It's a range day. 80% of days are range days. A good day for you zero DTE traders, probably trading your little zero DTE iron condors. Probably a great day for that. Great day. But I ain't doing it because it ain't in my trading plan. So you see, here was the cash open. Here was the weekly pivot, or about at the same number. I used to follow weekly pivot a lot, but that should serve as all of this here. We're about to come into a little bit of support, and off the support, we'll probably bounce right back up. So that's what it looks like where we're at now. Let's look at the volume profile. Volume profile is just hanging out, y'all, in the fairly priced area. We do anticipate that we'll fill these gaps a little bit, and at some point, probably within the next 10 days, but I don't know. I think that we've got a trip down here to 44.60. We shall see, but we're just fairly priced. Everything's just kind of hanging out, not doing a lot of action at all. Let's look at the linear regression chart. Linear regression is the same thing. It has low volume on an up move, means that we should be turning over, but it's taking a while. It's just kind of sitting here with these little doji type candles, abandoned babies, whatever, abandoned adolescents, whatever it is. And we figured that it will turn over at some point. Yeah, volume is really weak. So it's kind of cool, right? Kind of cool. We look at our big account, the mega account, 99.5% probability of profit. So you're telling me there's a chance, and this account just keeps printing money, which is really good. We'll trade that account tomorrow because every Wednesday we're going to put a trade on in that account. That's the way I've got it set up. Okay. So with that being said, let's look at our IRAs today. Here we go. And this is great trading, y'all. Great trading. IRA is at 93,054. 93,054. Look at this, how much money we've made. 93,054. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To see lots of apartments in the sky.
Look at this, y'all. This is amazing. Our little IRA this year has made $9,096.33. Now, it's only an 8.5% return. I say only an 8.5% return. That's a great return. That's a great return, and it would be even greater if I had been able to keep enough theta in the account, which I have not. But we made $9,000 this year. I mean, that is just that's phenomenal. I'm really excited about that. So let's go over here because we're a little conservative in this account. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. So we are at 45 deltas and 55 theta. 45, 55, 45, 55. See, we still don't have enough theta there. And we are in a 12 handle on VIX, and our buying power is at 24.2. Okay. So this is good. This is over. This is low. What do? I think we're going to put on a trade. Let's look over here, see if anything wants us to close. Yeah, but I mean, there's no need to close anything. Let's just put us on a new trade. So let's go build our theta up a little bit. Why don't we do 2 tranches today to build that theta up a little bit? So we'll go to the macros. I said we'll go to the macros. There we go. And we'll go to that 108 days. Go to the 5% probability of being in the money, which is around in here. So let's go this one here, the 38.50. And let's bump that up to the mid price. If we can get 2, 3, 4 of those. 38.50 is at 14.50. nothing. Jack, squat, crap, nothing, as Yukon Cornelius would say. I saw him last night. My kids said, Dad, this is kind of lame. I'm like, shut up. It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're going to watch it. And you're going to enjoy it. 3850s at 1425. 3850s at 1425. 3850. And we said it's 1425. Or is it 1475? 1425. Here we go. So we did it in MES. Oh, come on, Bob. MES. And we did 4 contracts. That's 2 tranches. So we'll call this naked put 99. And this is naked 108, 11, 28, 23. Beautiful puts. All right. Then let's go do 2 contracts of the put debit spread. And puts debit spread 108, 11, 28, 23. Now it's just a matter of putting them in. So let's go do those. So we go to about that 25 delta. So 25 delta, let's see, 4450, 4400. See if we can get in that one. We did that yesterday for 10, didn't we? It's not going to let us do that this time. So let's go to the 4350, 4300. There we go. And do 2 of those. There we go. For 720, we got filled. Right? Make sure. Filled orders, 720. Yeah. 4350, 4300 for 720. 720, 4350, 4300. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. So let's now go put those in our groups so we can keep up with everything. So we'll go here. We'll go show groups and go down here. Oh, it's T-bill Tuesday too, y'all. Let's put our T-bills in our group. T-bills. T-bills. We'll do that off camera because I show my account number there and I shouldn't show my account number if people tell me that somebody's going to wipe me out one day. All right, so let's see. Let's go move to group. That is nakeds. And this is put debit spreads. There we go. All right, so let's go to the other account now, which is this one. Let's see, the 2030 account. And the 2030 account is a Roth IRA, and we are at 29,521. 29,521. Look at this, y'all. 29,521. Praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Got to keep a running tab of how much money we made this year. So let's do that. So we made 3408.74. 3408.74. 3408.74 plus the other one, we made 9,000 something. Let's see, we've made 9,000. This is after commission, y'all. We made 9,096.33. 9,096.33. Just in those 2 accounts, y'all, we made $12,507. You know, it doesn't look like a lot, but it is. I mean, that's great, y'all. All right, so let's go to our Roth IRA. We got our money in there. So now let's figure out what our Gregson ratios are in the 2030 account. So we are at 11 deltas and 17 theta. 11, 17. 11, 17. I had to go feed my pigs some pumpkins a while ago. Uh-oh, what the crap? All right. 12 handle here. And we're only using not a lot of buying power. 8,300 in buying power. All right, y'all, we need a trade here too. Now, you'll notice it's saying close these trades, but I can't really close them because it's going to make my data really, really low. So, I mean, my 40, 50 naked puts, not even that, you know, I don't think there's reason to take it off. I don't see the gamma risk. I just don't. So let's just do another trade over here. And what we'll probably do is do the exact same trades we did in the other account, but we'll just do half the contracts. So let's do this one, create duplicate order, and let's go one contract and put it in the right account, 2030, and send. Beautiful. We got filled at 715 there. All right. And then let's go back to the 2030 or to the 203 account and monitor, sell 2 of these, create duplicate order, do 2 of those. 2, I said. And let's go confirm and send and put it in the 2030 account. Make sure I got it in the right account. And we got filled at 1425 there. Good. Okay, so let's go. And then if you're trading multiple accounts, all you got to do then is go, hey, let's just copy that crap. So let's go copy the blue stuff. Copy. And then let's paste it over here in the Roth and just change the number of contract. Uh-oh. What a crap. Oh, Bobby. Go back again. Hold on, y'all. Y'all hang with me. Here we go. Copy. And then let's go to this one. And we'll go paste. There we go. And then change this to 2. And this to 1. And then we got to change the prices. This one was $14.25. And this one was $7.15. Beautiful. Now we got it. There we go, boys and girls. So Avi, Chain, Chris, Coach, Dan, DB, Don, Doran, Ben, Dwayne, Edwin, Hal, James, Jen, Kent, Matt Jollywally. Hey, Matt Jollywally, roll tide, baby. Let's beat those ugly, nasty Georgia Bulldogs this week. Can't wait for
right
that.
where we wanted them this past weekend the whole time.
Oh, hey, I was never in doubt. We knew we were winning
right
that
where
game.
we wanted them.
Beth said, Bobby Gaines. Oh, you have little faith. Beth, I'm going to tell them that you prayed out loud in Jesus' name. And Beth got us the victory. Okay, look,
It's
Beth
the
has.
old 4th and 31 play that we practice.
Exactly. We practiced that play, y'all. It wasn't no surprise to us.
It's called Grave Digger.
Grave digger, baby. Grave digger. Yeah, that wasn't no problem. So we got Georgia right where we want them to, I think. I think they're overconfident, and they barely beat Georgia Tech. And we're going to come in there, and we're going to smash them in the mouth, I hope, anyway.
But they are really good. Georgia is really good.
Yeah, but they hadn't played anybody.
Yeah,
You know?
but they played Ole Miss and did well against Ole Miss.
Yeah, I guess. But we'll see. I think we got a chance.
What I tell all these Kentucky fans up here is I'm just happy to be there. I'm happy to be in every conversation about how great we are.
That's right. We're there.
When we're no longer in the conversation, then we got problems.
That's right. And we're in the game, y'all. We are in the game. So we got a fighting chance. All right, good, y'all. Let's go buy some T-bills. Everybody else, we'll see y'all tomorrow.